Here's a problem most people have with their Slim PlayStation 2. When they close the case, the game doesn't load. But if you notice, when you push down on the case at around right here, the game will load. And then as soon as you lift your finger off, it doesn't load anymore. So what's wrong with it? It's not the laser, it's not the disc, it's not any internal wiring. It's actually the case. Let me show you how to fix it. First, you're going to remove all 6 of these tabs with a small knife, and then remove the 6 Phillips head screws that are underneath. Now that we have the screws on the bottom out, we can remove the top part. Just lift up and kind of back. Now let's zoom in so I can show you what parts are actually causing the problem. It's going to be this little black thing right here. This little black knob is a push thingy that basically the case has a stick on it that when you close it, it pushes it down, and that's what makes it start. But of course, the case is so loose that it doesn't push it down anymore. Also on the front part is the other one. There's a spot right here that pushes down as well. But that's not the problem, it's the one on the back. As you can see, if I put my finger down on this back button and this front button, the disc starts to spin. But then when I let go of the back one, it doesn't spin. As you can see on the back of the case, there's this little peg that comes down right there. That's not pushing the button down enough. The case is too weak. Or it's too old and it just won't click down enough. That's why whenever you push down on it, it pushes it down and it makes the thing spin. So what exactly are we going to use to fix this problem? What else? That's right, we're going to tape it down and make it stay down so that it doesn't have this problem anymore. So how much do we need? Just about that much. You can tear it off with your fingers, but it's a lot better with this scissors because you only need just a very small piece, just enough to cover up that button. That ought to do it. Okay, here's the little spot right there. What you want to do is take your piece of tape. If it's too big, you might want to trim it down, which of course mine is. There we go. Just put it on there the best you can. Of course, I'm not doing too well. Get on there. I've got these handy pair of tweezers. Put it right there. Push it down there. Stay on there. Okay. Just kind of do that so that it stays on there. Then just push it down with your finger. Ta-da! Okay, I have it plugged in and I have the tape on. Now just to show you, I'm going to push down on this front button. Now let's put the case back together. Now that we have it all back together, I'm going to show you that it does work. All it took was just a little sliver of duct tape. And just to give you some more assurance. It doesn't skip at all. So I hope you found this helpful. Tell your friends!